9th Standard ICSE English Literature Poem 1, The Heart of the Tree. The poet describes the benefits of trees in our daily life and for the entire nation. And he asks a very pertinent question: what does he plant who plants a tree? Now, planting a tree might seem to be a very simple civic task, but it has significant consequences. You see, trees give us not only timber, food, flowers, medicines, but it also purifies the air by photosynthesis because it takes in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. It does transpiration, which brings about rainfall. Therefore, many forests are called rainforests. Also, they add an aesthetic value to the surroundings. They create beautiful sceneries. The greenery refreshes our mind. Forests are also the shelter for birds and animals. Without forests, many species will become extinct. In fact, even mankind would become extinct if the earth was barren. So the person who plants a tree is actually doing a big favor to society. It's a very selfless act because he won't reap the benefits himself, because trees take years or decades to grow and give the resources. So these resources of timber, fruits, etc. would be used by the future generations, that is the unborn eyes. The tree has been called the friend of sky, the friend of the breeze and the sun. That's because it interacts with these abiotic components of the world for our benefit. So clearly, the person who plants a tree holds the future of the nation in his hands, because one tree would grow to give multiple seeds, and when these seeds grow, they will have multiple trees, and that's how forests are created. It will take decades or centuries, but this way the prosperity of a nation can be ensured, because nations do import and export of forest resources. And here we are even talking about plants, the crops, the grains of which are sowed and the benefits are reaped by all the citizens. Hence, afforestation is an act of the highest good and of highest value by any citizen of a country. The poet, Henry Berner, asks a question in the beginning of every stanza. This is to attract the attention of the readers, and then he himself provides the answer through the poem. And after understanding the message of the poem, it is very clear that trees are indeed the heart of the earth. Just like heart is vital for our survival, forests are vital for the survival of life on earth.
Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.